The purchasing power of the dollar hits an all-time low, while inflation hits its highest level since 2014. What's up, everyone? I'm Dredd. This information is courtesy of Wolf Street and FX Street. Let's hop into the details. The purchasing power of the consumer dollar, part of the Bureau of Labor Statistics Consumer Price Index data released today, is the politically incorrect mirror image of inflation in consumer prices. By wanting to increase consumer price inflation, the Fed in effect wants to decrease the purchasing power of the consumer dollar to where consumers have to pay more for the same thing. Thereby, it wants to decrease the purchasing power of labor paid in those dollars, and that purchasing power of the dollar in January dropped by 1.5% year over year to another record low. Note how the purchasing power of the dollar recovered for a few months during the financial crisis, when consumers could actually buy a little more with the fruits of their labor. The Fed considered this condition a horror show. Which brings us to this article: U.S. inflation expectations hit highest level since 2014. According to St. Louis Federal Reserve data, U.S. inflation expectations as measured by the 10-year break-even rate jumped to 2.21% last Friday to hit the highest level since August of 2014, strengthening the bullish case for store-of-value assets such as gold. Inflation expectations clocked a low of 0.5% in March of 2020 as financial markets crashed on fears of a pandemic-induced recession and have been rising ever since. Over the past few weeks, the ascent has been steep, courtesy of an oil price rally and strengthening expectations for aggressive fiscal spending from Washington. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please consider giving the channel a subscribe.